Okay, here is the 16 function unit. First thing first, we have to make sure that the switches are on the back. So this turns on the whole unit, and then infrared, and then this is UV light. I can turn it all on. So they're all on. And you see all the functions lighting up here. Now let's say if we do want to use the hot and cold hammer, what we would do is we would click, make sure it's selected on hot and cold, and we can press either hot or cold. And then we just get the hot and cold out here. Now, whenever we wanted to start working, what we would do, we would have to press start. Once we press start, then it will start, as you would be able to see and hear a little bit noise of the motor. I could hear it. The cold side is cooling right now. It's really cold. It's getting cold. And anytime you do want to switch it back over to the hot, what you would do, you would come here and click hot. And anytime you wanted to stop, what you would do is you would press pause. Anytime you want to start working on it again, you press start. And that's when you hear a little fan going. And the hot is right now, and both are selected currently. Both are selected. But I want to do, let's say, just hot only. Hot is getting warm right now. On this. And it takes a little bit longer for the hot to get warm. But yeah, and then anytime you want to stop it, you would press stop. And then anytime you want to change the function, so for whichever you're going to be using it next, let's say we want to use the high frequency in it, what you would do is we would press work, and this will be starting to work. And I'll be able to take the intensity up from here, and then you can take it down. Anytime you're done with the work, you press stop, and the light will go off. And let's say for the next one, we would do the brush gun. And let me get the handle on to this. And let's say we would plug this right here. And you look at the brushes, which will be right here. Anytime you want to go ahead and use the massage brush, and then you would do start, and you would do the rotation on it. Anytime you want to stop it, what you would do is just press stop, and you can control the intensity and how fast you want it to go. But right now the switch is off, so I have to press on work, and this would work. And that's how you would do press stop. And same thing goes with any of the other functions on it. Let me go ahead and show you the galvanic. And these are the galvanics that you will be getting. And what you would do here, you would come on to here, the galvanic, you would just select positive or negative you want to be working, and you would press start. Once you press start, you'd be holding into one of them, and you can go ahead and use it against the client's face or hand, and you could just go against it, and they'll definitely, you as a person who's doing it, you would not feel anything. It's the current going through the client, so the client will be feeling it, and you'll be able to control the intensity of it from here up. Anytime you want to stop working, you would just press stop, and I would do pause on that. And that is how you use the 16 function unit.